I guess this is a proper motor vlog that I'll be posting after so many years, and turns out I was quite busy and taken up with all the stuff that is going on in my life currently, including the pandemic. Hello everyone, good evening, namaste, sat sri akal and adab. This is Himanshu and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Soul. All of you are safe at your respective places. Please take care of your safety and don't be a jerk. Wear your mask every time and stay safe and create as much as awareness for safety as you can, because we all are in this pandemic together, and as per what we are currently facing, we are doing good as compared to other countries. I hope so the vaccine reaches to India as well and we all can be free and we can roam about, do our stuff and everything. So yeah, be safe. So this is just a small video where I would like to inform all of you that I'll be very soon coming back to YouTube. Probably this is the first time that I'm vlogging after 3 to 4 years it seems. I really did miss YouTube, and I really did miss all of you a lot. Most of my subscribers, they won't be watching this video even because it's been a long time since I've posted a video. But then yeah, the people who still support me, the people who still remember my vlogs and are still supporting me, big thanks to all of you. Probably your motivation has pushed me further to take a little bit risk, but then yeah, I'm making sure that I'm safe and keeping much distance from everyone before actually making any video or something. Considering my city to have lesser number of cases, the government is doing a good job. Probably not my bike, it's knocking a lot. I don't know why it's knocking this much, but it's knocking a lot. I think I'll have to get it checked by some mechanic, or I'll have to give it to the showroom service center guys to fix it up. But then yeah, I'll be making videos and I'll be posting them. I'll be continuing with the series that I started, a new motor vlogger in the city for Jamshedpur. Hopefully that will again allow me to start coming back to YouTube. Oh shoot, please don't rain, yeah. Somehow I got a chance to come out of my place, and if it rains then everything will go in vain. Nibbas and nibbies all over. Nibbas and nibbies have no fear of corona and everything. Please don't get stuck here. Okay, I won't go much further. There will be patrolling vehicles that are here, and if they catch me moving like this, making videos at this hour, they're definitely gonna screw me up. So yeah, probably most of the videos that I'm gonna make from now onwards will be during the daytime, because riding during the night will be very tough, difficult, and will indulge me in a lot of risk. To be very frank, you can go and talk to the police of Bangalore or any metropolitan city. They will understand what you're actually trying to do and how you're safe. But here it's pretty tough to explain people. So most of the vlogs will be for within the city. I'll not be able to go outside the city. Maybe daily observations and funny videos is what you can expect from me, and a tour around the city, just like what I'm doing right now. I hope all of my friends are doing good. Yeah, I don't know where you guys are. Soumya, Shubham, Saurav, both the Sauravs actually. Saurav Pathak and Saurav Mariner, of course. Falguni, and then Nidhi. I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are safe. बहुतों ने कहा था कि हिंदी में ब्लॉग बनाओ, तो हिंदी में भी बना सकता हूँ. there's no issue in that. यार ये मेरी पहली बाइक ठीक हो जाए यार, इसका बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. I'm like after 2-3 years it's not working as its intended. मतलब जब तेज़ चलता है तो बहुत ही अच्छा चलता है. I love it, I really love it. But जब it's on the lower RPM तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. I cannot control it. चांसेस रहता है कि बंद हो जाए. I have to continuously push the accelerator every time. Kill me already, please. Oh, nice. So tough to ride a bike after years, man. I remember riding an Avenger when I was in Pondicherry, when I went to Pondicherry with my friends, and after that I practically had no interaction with any bike. I wonder why the cases have shooted up from only 200 to 1000. But I hope so people will be a little more sensitive and understand that it's everyone's responsibility to keep each another safe. It's not just one person's responsibility. Now I'll go and I'll refuel, because I have very less fuel left, and I think mostly by tomorrow I'll go see a mechanic and I'll fix this knocking part, which is very irritating and it's uncomfortable. चलो यार आंटी, गाड़ी बंद हो जाएगी यार. Dude, are you for serious? One good thing that's happening over here is the markets are getting closed as early as possible. These guys are closing it as early as possible, which is a good thing. $200 भैया, 200. भैया ये है GoPro कैमरा. Nice. Started in one go. Surprised. I am surprised. By the way, yes, I traveled back from Bangalore a month ago. I did go through the screening test, which was hectic, and it's simply disastrous. I'm like, you won't like the feeling of a stick going into your nose and into your mouth. But then yes, results were negative, and I was being home quarantined for 14 days. I finished my quarantine, and then after that I started resuming my normal life. What normal life? I mean, like, this is the new normal that we are having now. Yeah, I cannot go outside the city. I can just roam about in the city. and make observations and sort of like things like that. One more thing, if anyone's interested in joining along, making videos, obviously with taking a lot of safety precautions, the link to all of my social media channels have been posted in the description. You can hit me up and then we can plan accordingly and make a short video of riding and enjoying. God, it has started raining. Oh my god, no, please hold on for just 5 minutes. I'll be there at my place in just 5 minutes. Oh my god, please, no, stop. What on earth is this driving? Okay guys, so I think I'll end the vlog over here. There's nothing much in this vlog that I have to say. So probably today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll be making a proper vlog where I'll be explaining why there was such a gap and why am I here after so many years and why have I started suddenly. So everything I'll be telling in details in the next vlog. So yeah, take care, bye bye, and see you soon.
Here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to